So please come meet us today and talk to us about Wave. I just want to say a few things about how it's going. We started our preview about 6 weeks ago. We said we'd send out 100,000 invites. We've actually sent out more than 1 million invites, and we have more than 500,000 7-day active users. And the early feedback is that people really like it. They're coming back and using Wave. Now, for developers, we often get the question, how am I going to make money from this platform? So first of all, you can look at the Sudoku gadget we showed you earlier, and you'll already see ads there. These are Google ads in this example, but they could be any ads. So that's one way developers could make money. But we're more commonly asked whether or not we're going to put together a marketplace of sorts where you, the developer, can sell your extension to our users. While it's too early for me to promise that, we think it would be pretty stupid not to do it.
And we're not stupid.
No. So stay tuned. We'll try to share more information about our plans on our developer blog.
So just to end off, I want to remind you guys that in addition to this platform we've shown you, Wave is also a protocol. The underlying protocols that manage all this live interaction is open. You can read about it on waveprotocol.org. And we've made some progress recently. Just last week, we opened up an experimental federation port, as we call it, on our developer instance, which you guys should all be getting accounts for. And we know of several organizations actually building their own Wave servers, including American company Novell that just last week announced a new product called Novell Pulse. And they announced that they were going to support the Google Wave Federation protocol from inside there. Now, lastly, I want to just point out that you guys are all going to get accounts both in our developer sandbox and on our public preview instance. And I want to just shout out public waves. So there is a way to take a wave and make it public. It's total anarchy when you do this. About 500,000 users can see your waves and participate in them. But it's a lot of fun too. And I want to, Steph, if you can click that link there, there's folks here, there's Wave Ninjas in the room here that have started several public waves about today's conference. And if you go and search for with public, tag GDD 2009. Thank you.
Thanks to you guys.
Well done. Use these to discuss what's going on today, and of course these Wave will be with us for the future.
And the 2 sessions later today?
The 2 sessions I want to call out. So Vadim and David over here are going to talk about the Google Wave APIs, so you'll learn how to build the things we showed you earlier. And we're going to talk about how we built the client using the Google Web Toolkit. And that's all we have to say. Spasiba. Do svidania.
Spasiba. Thank you.
Lars, Steph, thank you very much.